Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 8th class English. Myself Reshma Sultana, teacher of United Public School, Tandur. In this session, I am continuing the lesson of Dead Rat of Unit 8 and Reading C. I completed the half of the lesson. Now I am continuing the lesson. Listen carefully. The hungry and thirsty woodcutters were pleased with Ratnaka's service, gave him 2 pieces of firewood each. They are very pleased with Ratnaka, so they have given 2 pieces of firewood. By evening, the pieces were piled up into a big heap, which Ratnaka sold away for 2 rupees in the city. From the firewood, what he did, he sold for 2 rupees in the city. Those firewood pieces. Out of the 2 rupees, Ratnaka gave one to his grandmother towards savings, and with the other rupee purchased a kuncham. Kuncham means a kind of measuring unit for grains. Okay. What he did, from 2 rupees, 1 rupee gave to his grandmother for saving, and 1 rupees he purchased a kuncham. Kuncham means a kind of measuring for grains of Bengal gram. Okay. Out of his he soaked 1 kilo every day and sat under the same tree with cold water. What he did? Again, he soaked the Bengal gram in the water at night, and in the morning he took the Bengal gram and sat under the same tree with cold water. In this way, he collected many cartloads and fuel within a month. Fortunately, there were instant rains for 10 days. As a result, there is a scarcity of firewood in the city. What happened? Fortunately, there was rains for 10 days. As a result, there was a scarcity for the firewood in the city. The firewood which Ratnaka had collected fetched under him 100 gold coins. From that firewood, he collected with 100 gold coins. Okay. With that money, Ratnaka opened a firewood stall, began dealing with timber. After that, what he did? For that money, he opened a firewood stall and dealing with timber. From timber to cloth, from cloth to grain, and from grain to diamonds. What he did? He was being a successful businessman. He is from cloth to grain, and from grains to diamonds. He got up to the diamonds. His business progressed rapidly. Within a couple of years, Ratnaka became one of the leading merchants in the city. From that, he had a very leading merchant in the city. From what he started the business, he started a business from the dead rat, and he became the leading merchant in the city. Okay, this is the thinking everyone should have for a successful businessman. One day, Ratnaka got a rat of gold weighing 1 kilo. In the last, what he did? He made a gold rat of 1 kilo. Its eyes were made of rubies. Its eyes, how the rat eyes are made? With rubies, ears of sapphires, and it had a diamond chain round his neck. It was kept in a silver trap and carried in a procession with pomp. Ratnaka was leading the procession when he reached the residence of Akshadatta. After that, what he did? He got a gold rat, and he reached the residence of Yakshadatta. He asked the procession to halt. To halt means to wait. Hearing the band of the noise of the procession, Yakshadatta came out of his house and inquired what all the pomp and hubbub was about. What the Ratnaka did? He went to the house of Yakshadatta with a band. Okay, Ratnaka addressed Yakshadatta that, "Sir, I became a millionaire of your grace." What the Ratnaka told to Yakshadatta? "Sir, for your grace, I became a millionaire. 2 years back, when I came to you for a loan, you gave me a dead rat." He told the story of before 2 years, when I came to your house, you gave me a dead rat. Your wise saying and the capital which I borrowed from you made a rich man. What he told? When that rat I took, from that in these 2 years, I became a rich man. Now I have come to pay your debt in the shape of a golden rat. What she is saying, you helped me, and by your grace I become a millionaire. So I am going to give a gift, a golden rat. Kindly accept this as symbol of my gratitude. What he told? He is requesting to accept the gold rat. Yakshadatta was amazed to hear his story. He was very pleased with the intelligence and gratitude of Ratnaka. Yakshadatta was amazed to hear his story, and he was very pleased with the intelligence and gratitude of Ratnaka. This is a story of the dead rat. I hope you all understood this. If there are any doubts, they can contact me. I will clarify the doubt. Now there is an assignment. See here. Assignment is, how did the firewood and Ratnaka, which Ratnaka had collected, fetch and him 100 gold coins? Next one is, how did Ratnaka show his gratitude to Yakshadatta? And last one is, how did Ratnaka help the woodcutters? These are the 3 questions as assignment. You have to write and send it to me. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.